All right, guys, what's up? I went ahead and got this today. I've always wanted to get one of these. It's a motorcycle stand and wheel chalk. I got it from Harbor Freight. I paid $62 and like 98 cents plus tax. The reason I got this is because in my garage I like to have the bike standing up most of the time. It gives me a little more room, and plus when I work on the bike, I'm also going to get a jack stand, which I'll probably pick up either there or I haven't decided where we get that from. But I figured I'd do this unboxing, and I'll probably do a video for putting it together, which seems pretty straightforward. But once again, this is by Pittsburgh motorcycle. Got it at Harbor Freight. It is the part number or merchandise number is actually 61670, and it has a capacity of 1,800 pounds. I did do some review, check out the reviews online, because as you guys may see some of my previous videos, I always check the reviews and try to get some insight on the product itself, because the last thing I want to do is waste money. But then again, I don't want to spend more money than necessary. So of course you can get this, other companies make this for a lot more, but for what I'm using it for, pretty much I think this would suffice. So anyway, so just picked this up today, so they had them in stock. So let's go ahead and open the box. And it's packaged pretty good, actually. This is the bottom part. You can see it's well packaged. Pretty solid. The wheels, I haven't seen anybody complain about the wheels on this, so let's set that here. Take this off. Once again, I'm surprised at how well this is packaged. So here's the crossbar. Once again, the tube capped on both ends. Got the tie downs here, and you also can adjust the feet on here. I can tell this is actually bent. This tube is actually bent and welded. It looks like right here. Correct me if I'm wrong, if anybody can tell that. But anywho, so I'm gonna set it down right there. Here's the instructions. And of course, we all know where this is made, in China. So pretty much a diagram there on how to put together. So it looks like it's pretty well written. 1-800 number right there to call if you have any problems with it. It even talks about mounting on concrete. It also talks about on the bed of the truck, motorcycle lift, or it's also freestanding too, so you can actually just have this in the garage and a way to suffocate down. Come with the bolts and also the cotter pins here. Here's the front piece. Once again, this is pretty solid. I was expecting user Harbor Freight, you expected it to not be that thick, but this is pretty got some weight to it. Okay, set it down there. And this part of the wheel chalk is in the back, so when you roll up on it, this actually rotates forward. Once again, it's pretty solid. Quite surprised for the price. And also, threaded rods. There are 2 of these. I'm gonna take this apart real quick, show you guys that. Oh, no, it's not threaded. So, oh, okay, this is the pivot one. So these aren't threaded. Nope. So it's pretty simple, guys, to put together. Once again, pretty solid. And I think that's something in here. Yep. So I'm gonna set this stuff aside real quick. Once again, let's look at the parts. All right, once again, we got the base. It has the holes. I guess you can adjust it for different size tires. Also, you have holes here where you can bolt it down or screw it to, let's say, a trailer or or even a concrete motorcycle lift. So pretty much that's pretty much everything comes with right there. Brackets. And just looking at it, even though it has instructions, it's pretty straightforward from looking at it how this goes together. This piece here goes like that. Let's see if you guys can see that. This piece here goes in here, and that's where the adjustment comes into play. Got the different holes on the side, so you can actually position it. And then of course, actually that will stay there. This is actually what you can move depending on the tire size. This moves back and forth. So the wheel will go up in there. Well, actually, this moves forward. Like so. Pretty straightforward. And I'm gonna go ahead and pause. I just want to show you guys the unboxing. So pretty much that's everything that comes here. And then here's the instructions that came with it. Pretty straightforward, man. So I like the simplicity of this this stand.
Here's iHeartRadio. It doesn't matter if you love him or capital H-I-M.
Make sure it's nice and tight. So the last thing I'm going to fall over. Just have space for it. Okay. All right. So that's pretty straightforward, and it's pretty solid. Next piece. This is simple to put together. Well done. Watch it on. Yeah. That's pretty true. And of course, this piece will go on. Like this one goes forward. This one will go that way. Oh, sorry. So this will go on like. Slide this way a little bit. So this will go on, roll the bike up. This comes up and keeps the bike sturdy. And I'm looking at this. You see two different sides. I have this side is short and this side is long. So looking at this. Oh yeah. So it goes this way. So what I do is figure out. That's too far back. Oh, okay. So this actually goes here. This can actually adjust forward and back, depending on what size tire you have. So. Sorry for putting my big noggin in the way. So this will go here. Oops. Make sure you put the washers on. And this one goes on this side of it. So. Okay, so that's that. So I will have to figure out where I will have to put this. And I could probably do that. Let's see that. So this can actually move because we have the different holes here. Let's see right there. And I did see on one of the reviews where I think it was a Honda Goldwing, this actually hit the fender when it was on. So I'm about to look and double check that before I put my bike on it. But I did see on the reviews, guys had pictures of them with electric glides. And Limiteds actually were put on one of these different variations. So somewhere in trailers. There was some that used to keep in the garage. I plan on using this for when I sit in my garage, pull in the garage to save room, and I'm also going to strap it down. So definitely going to utilize the outlets here on both sides to make sure the bike doesn't roll over. Also, you don't want to sit on. Once you get it on the stand, you don't want to hop on the bike and like shift your weight on one side, because it could tip the bike over, even with the with this. So I'm gonna use it primary when I bring it in. I want to take it for a short ride, things of that nature. But the one good thing I like about this, I can put this closer to the wall and stand it up, or put it on the stand. Save some room, because right now I have to move my car over. We've got 2-car garage. I have to put it over to the left as I'm on the bike, so that way my wife open the door of her car, taking her stuff out, she won't bump into my bike, because I have a table or a workbench along the wall where I park the bike. So, but anyways, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. That's pretty much it. And I could actually move this around, and I purposely put this together inside, but I could easily pick it up and just take it where I need to go. So, all right, guys, here's the finished product. I actually had to screw this to a board because the stand is so light. When I try to push it up, the actual stand would slide forward. So I just went ahead and had this old shelf I had, and just bolted it to that with some carriage bolts, and it worked out perfect. So now I can put this anywhere in the garage, pull the bike up on it, and it won't slide. And as you can see, I have it on here standing upright, and I don't have the straps attached at this moment, but they work fine without it. If you plan on using it for a trailer or a truck, you can also use it on those. Also, you have to bolt it down. But other than that, I'm really happy with it. It came out really well. And once again, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Later.